welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Today I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite fat bomb recipes. If you're on a keto diet or a low carb diet, this recipe might be for you. And the best part about it is it's only 5 ingredients. Let's go over the ingredients first, then I'll show you how to mix it up. First ingredient, heavy whipping cream. I use a half a cup in my recipe. The next ingredient is butter. I'm using salted because that's what I have here at the house right now, but you'll need 1 stick of butter at room temperature or softened. You will need 2 packs of the 16 ounces of cream cheese. That will also need to be at room temperature. If you need to, you can also pop this in the microwave to soften it a little bit for maybe 15 to 30 seconds. You'll need 1 cup of 0-calorie sweetener. And my secret ingredient, sugar-free Jell-O pudding. You can use any flavor you want. We've tried a bunch of them. They all turn out great, but you'll need the big box or 2 of the small boxes. Okay, let me show you how to mix this up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is put your heavy whipping cream in a bowl. And then we are going to add our 1 cup of 0-calorie sweetener. And we're going to blend it up, whip it up some to get it fluffy. So whenever it starts having a little bit of peaks and stays like that on your whip, then that's about where you want it. Next thing we're going to add is our room temperature butter, 1 full stick, and you can just drop this right in there. And your 2 blocks of cream cheese. Now, this is going to take some time to mix up, so I am going to put you on time lapse. I'm going to mix it up really well and then bring you back because this will take a little while. All right, guys, so as you can see, we blended it until it has a nice smooth consistency. Now we're going to add our last ingredient. You want to add the pudding very last because it's also a thickener. So you don't want to get it too thick to where your fat bombs don't smooth out. We're going to add the pudding and then we're probably going to mix it for about another half a minute to a minute, just enough to get it blended through well. All right, so that's what it looks like. And that is all you have to do to the dough. Let me show you how I start portioning it up and we'll talk about the calories and stuff. What I do to portion it out is I just use a cookie sheet, some wax paper, and a teaspoon. This will make approximately 35 to 40 servings. And all I do is I put about that much on my teaspoon and put it on the paper. Super simple. Now these have about 1 protein, 2 carbs, and 8 fat, and they're about 80 calories a piece. I say about because sometimes I get 35, sometimes I get 40, but we pretty much just use that number and go with it. And this is all you're going to do, and then you're going to stick them in the freezer. When they get cold, they're ready to go. So I'm going to finish getting all of these portioned out, get them in the freezer, and we'll be back with you guys when they're ready. All right, so I just took these out of the freezer. They were in there probably about an hour, hour and a half. They harden up actually pretty quickly, but that is what they look like. And I just store them in a Ziploc baggie. These are super easy for like when Tony's outside mowing the grass or cutting firewood. On a hot day, he can come in and just grab one or two of these, and it's nice and refreshing and something cold. But also, if you have a sweet tooth like I do, these are the perfect snack at night. And I'm going to save that one out for me for later. But this will do your sweet cravings so well. And you can do so many different flavors. But if you guys like videos like this, make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.